Ever since I was a kid, I loved acting, I loved performance. I like the energy of people and the energy of laughter and the energy of creativity. So now I'm living my dream. TV and movies. I've been mentored on how to write movie scripts. So I've literally consumed myself in this industry that just started out as a passion and a dream, and now it's my reality. And the road to freedom has been worth it. We want to inspire Indigenous youth living on reserve to find their passions. The creative world introduces so many opportunities. So it's super cool that we get to introduce the youth to all these different options and then let them decide if something connects with them. Some of the youth we worked with never realized how much they loved acting until they took part in our program and took part in the acting and the filmmaking, and now they love it. Now they want to pursue it, or they want to audition now. And acting is something that you need to get introduced to, and filmmaking. It needs to be introduced to you. You need to experience it for you to fully understand if you like it or not, if you connect with it. There's a lot of freedom internally that comes in storytelling, that comes in filmmaking and YouTube, and all these outlets that allow us to express ourselves. Indigenous youth deserve the same education and opportunities as the rest of us, especially in the film industry, because there is such a massive need to tell their story and share who they are. Whether that's YouTube or filmmaking or screenwriting or acting, movie making, whatever it is, we want to bring the mainstream to them. Because you don't got to be in the big cities now. You can do it right from the reserve, right from your home community. You can start your career today. That's Road to Freedom's mission right now, is to show them that it's possible and that they can start it, and that they too can find that same creative outlet, that same freedom that storytelling and filmmaking and acting has given me.